Do you love cartoons? Do you wish you could draw them? Well, you can. Drawing cartoons is fun and easy. Anyone can do it, even if you're just starting. This guide will teach you how. We'll use simple steps. You'll learn to draw awesome characters in no time. Get ready to unleash your inner cartoonist. Let's draw! Before we start, let's gather our tools. Having the right tools can make a big difference in your cartooning journey. It's like a chef needing the right ingredients before cooking a delicious meal. So, let's make sure we have everything we need to bring our creative ideas to life. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. You will need some basic supplies that are easy to find and won't break the bank. The first thing you need is a pencil. Any pencil will do. Whether it's a standard number 2 pencil or a mechanical one, the choice is yours. Pencils are great because they allow you to sketch lightly and make changes easily. You can experiment with different types of pencils to see which one you prefer. Some artists like using softer pencils for shading, while others prefer harder pencils for fine lines. Next, you'll need paper. You can use a sketchbook or printer paper. Sketchbooks are great because they keep all your drawings in one place, making it easy to look back at your progress. Printer paper is also a good option, especially if you're just starting out and want to practice without worrying about wasting expensive paper. The important thing is to have a surface to draw on that you feel comfortable with. An eraser is another essential tool. Everyone makes mistakes, so an eraser is a must-have. There are different types of erasers like kneaded erasers that can be shaped to erase small details, or standard rubber erasers that are great for larger areas. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. An eraser helps you correct those mistakes and improve your drawings. And of course, your imagination. This is the most important tool. Your imagination is what will bring your cartoons to life. It's where your unique ideas and creativity come from. Take some time to brainstorm and think about what you want to draw. Let your mind wander and explore different possibilities. Remember, there are no limits to what you can create with your imagination. That's it. Now that you have your tools, you're ready to start drawing. Gather your supplies, find a comfortable spot, and let your creativity flow. Whether you're drawing for fun or aiming to improve your skills, having the right tools and a positive mindset will set you on the path to success. Let's get started and see what amazing cartoons you can create. We'll begin with basic shapes. These shapes are the foundation of every great cartoon character. Think of them as the skeleton that will support the final design. Circles, squares, triangles. These are the building blocks of our cartoon characters. Each shape can be transformed into different parts of the character's body. For example, a circle can become a head, a square can be a torso, and triangles can be used for ears or noses. Don't worry about making perfect shapes. The beauty of cartooning is in its imperfections. Rough sketches help you explore different ideas and forms. Let your hand move freely and see what comes out. Sometimes the best characters come from happy accidents. Just have fun with it. Enjoy the process of creation. Remember, the more relaxed you are, the more creative you'll be. Drawing should be a joyful experience, not a stressful one. Imagine a funny animal. Maybe it's a cat with a big head or a dog with tiny legs. The more exaggerated, the better. Exaggeration is a key element in cartooning. It makes your characters more expressive and memorable. Draw a large circle for the head. This will be the focal point of your character. A large head can make your character look cute and approachable. Add a smaller circle for the body. This creates a nice contrast and makes the head stand out even more. You can play around with the proportions to give your character a unique look. See? Easy. We're already on our way to creating a cartoon character. With just a few simple shapes, you can start to see the character taking form. Now let's add some details to bring it to life. Start with the eyes. Big, expressive eyes can convey a lot of emotion. Draw 2 large circles and add smaller circles inside for the pupils. Don't forget to leave a little white space for the highlights. This will make the eyes look shiny and alive. Next, draw the nose and mouth. A small triangle or oval can work for the nose. For the mouth, think about the character's personality. Is it happy, sad, mischievous? A simple curved line can express a lot. Add the ears and any other features you want. Maybe your character has big floppy ears or tiny pointy ones. You can also add hair, whiskers, or any other details that make your character unique. And there you have it. A simple yet charming cartoon character made from basic shapes. With practice, you'll be able to create more complex and detailed characters. Keep experimenting and have fun. Section 4. Bringing your character to life. Adding facial features. Now let's give our character a face. This is where your character truly starts to come alive. The face is the most expressive part of any character, and it's where the magic happens. So grab your pencils and let's dive into the details. Eyes are the windows to the soul, even in cartoons. They convey emotions, thoughts, and personality. Start by drawing the basic shape of the eyes. You can choose from a variety of shapes: round, oval, almond, or even something more stylized. The shape you choose will greatly influence the character's overall look and feel. Draw 2 big expressive eyes. These eyes will be the focal point of your character's face. Make sure they are symmetrical and well placed. You can use guidelines to help with the placement. Once you have the basic shape, add some details like the eyelids and lashes. These small details can add a lot of personality to your character. Add small circles inside for the pupils. The pupils are crucial as they direct the gaze of your character. You can play around with the size and position of the pupils to convey different emotions. Don't forget the eyebrows. Eyebrows are incredibly expressive and can change the entire mood of your character. Experiment with different shapes and angles to see what works best. Next, draw a simple nose. The nose can be as detailed or as simple as you like. For cartoons, a simple shape often works best. You can draw a small triangle, a circle, or even just a couple of lines. The nose should complement the eyes and fit well within the overall face structure. A triangle or a small circle works well. You can also experiment with different shapes to see what gives your character the best look. Remember, the nose doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about finding a style that suits your character. Add a big, happy smile. The mouth is another key feature that can convey a lot of emotion. A big smile can make your character look friendly and approachable. You can also experiment with different mouth shapes to convey different emotions. A frown, a smirk, or even a surprised "oh" can add a lot of character to your drawing. Look at your drawing. It's starting to look like a real character, isn't it? With the facial features in place, your character now has a personality and a story to tell. Keep practicing and experimenting with different styles and expressions. The more you practice, the better you'll get at bringing your characters to life. Section 5. The magic of expressions, creating emotions. Our character needs expressions. Let's try a surprised look. Erase the eyebrows. Draw them higher on the head, making a curved, surprised shape. Make the eyes wider. Add little circles inside to show the pupils shrinking. Open the mouth wide in a gasp. See how easy it is to change emotions. Experiment with different expressions. Section 6. Final touches, outlining and coloring. Our character is almost done. It's time for outlining and coloring. Carefully trace over your pencil lines with a black pen or marker. This will make your drawing stand out. Now, let's add some color. Use your favorite crayons, markers, or colored pencils. You can make your character any color you like. Let your imagination run wild. Section 7. Congratulations, cartoonist. You did it. You drew a cartoon character all by yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep drawing and experimenting. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Share your drawings with your friends and family. Spread the joy of cartooning. Now go out there and draw some awesome cartoons.